Hi guys, welcome back. So I was thinking like, hey, why not just film a video doing my makeup? Because I'm like always bored all the time, and I was like, hey, you know what would be fun and fresh? A get ready with me. And I have literally nowhere to go, so it doesn't even need to look good, you know? It's probably not focused, it's probably way too bright, my wig looks disgusting, but I just really feel like doing makeup because makeup is the cure to my depression, period.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Okay. I already did my eyebrows, as you could see, so I'm just gonna go and do I think I'm gonna do eye makeup first. Okay, so I live in Florida and there was recently a hurricane. So a complex, I live in an apartment. They told us, hey, we have to put up boards for you because we're not gonna take any chances of like cars like flying through the window or whatever. Or just like, you know, trees, like normal things. And we were like, fine, whatever, even though we just didn't believe like it was gonna be a big storm. Spoiler alert, it wasn't a big storm. So we put up those boards for literally no reason whatsoever. And guess what? We still have the boards up. I get to sleep in more because the sun doesn't even like come into the room, but I need sun because how am I gonna do my makeup like pretty, you know? I'm just gonna use this palette for the entire makeup look because I just don't feel like going into anything else, you know? I literally look like, ugh, I look just burnt. Why do I look so burnt? I feel like doing something really dramatic, so I'm gonna go in with the dark colors. I would love to do both eyes right now, but I'm at the same time, but like no, there's no other way to say it. Like I really don't feel like messing up both eyes. I'm literally blending her into nothing, but I swear I can do makeup, I promise. It's just been a minute. It's been a while. I should like... Oh! I was so dark for a second. You couldn't even see. Oh my god, this video is so bad. Why though? I just pray this video turns out good because I know this makeup is gonna snap. Like it's already snapping. No. And like I have to try to not slouch because I slouch so much. I'm slouching already. I wonder if I can like see myself slowly going downwards, you know? So recently, basically yesterday, high schools have like a spirit week or a homecoming, and then a homecoming dance, and then a homecoming game, and then the actual like homecoming. I wasn't gonna go to the homecoming because that was $50 that I could literally spend on anything else, like wigs, makeup, food, water, charity. But I was like, hey, let me not be a loner, let me not be impulsive and like try to go to the other festivities. I went to the tailgate and I thought the tailgate was gonna be so lit because it just sounds like backwoods, Alabama, country, trucks, campfire type situation. It just sounded lit, like a bunch of kids having a lit time. But to my discretion, it wasn't. We had to pay $15 to get in. $15. And I kid you not, it was just a gym filled with about 50 people with a really bad DJ, lights still on, and like a bootleg homemade DIY, Laura DIY type like photo booth. And I wasn't living for it. What I was living for was the song choice. DJ's song choices were everything because they were all dancing, get lit type songs. There was one song that he played, I forgot what it was called. The song went, Act Like You Riding a Stick. Ooh, when I tell you, these females, they don't have spines. The way they was going down, I'll put a video in of how it's supposed to look. But like, sis could never. I could never. This looks bad.
20 minutes later.
So, a lot has clearly happened since I last talked to you guys. My camera died.
Stupid.
So I charged it All I did was just do a cut crease and then blend everything together. Okay, so I'm pretty much finished with this eye. So I'm gonna go to the next eye and then I'll be right back. We're back. So I'm not gonna lie with you, this eye looks terrible and I really thought that it would look better because my second try at things always goes better, but nope, not today. I want to do eyeliner because maybe this will save my look a little more. So recently I started volunteering at this library and I hate it because I have to stand in the library for 2 hours and literally do nothing because you're not allowed to stack books and put them in the right place. So to kill time, I go to the bathroom. The library isn't really hectic and crowded, so there's barely anybody going into the bathroom, you know? I don't stay inside of a stall. I don't sit on the toilet. That's weird. So what I do is I just stay in there, I get my AirPods in my ears, and I just dance and I stare in the mirror, I take selfies, I do all of that. I could just tell the librarians are noticing that I've taking a longer and longer time in the bathroom, because there was one point where I stayed in the bathroom for 30 minutes. Whoops. So I was just living my best life, barbecue sauce in my titties. I was just dancing and I was lit. I was in the corner of the bathroom just on my phone, and then out of nowhere I see a librarian just walk into the bathroom. I don't know if this was because she actually needed to use the bathroom or she knew that I was in the bathroom doing nothing. So she walks into the bathroom and then I stare at her like this, and then she stares at me like this. We're just staring there for a good 5 seconds and I was like, I'm dead, I'm dead, I'm dead.
Spoiler or anything like that.
I'm dead.
What about Black Panther 2? Anything?
I'm dead.
But to my surprise, she just went and peed. But my glory didn't last long because I came out of the bathroom 30 minutes later and the main head librarian, she was like, I've been hearing people complaining about you being in the bathroom for a long time. Please stop. Please don't ever do that again. And I was like, sure, I'm doing it again. I don't care. But yeah, we love a good story time. I really hate eyeliner. I feel like it ruins the look, you know? Before I forget, I'm gonna take my powder cocaine. This is really shimmery metallic eyeshadow. And sometimes when I don't even do makeup, I just snort it and it just gives me life, you know?
You're watching Disney Channel.
Sure, that did something. I'm gonna use these. I think these are just definitely gonna elevate my look to 10. So I'll see you guys in a second when I look decent. Lashes. These took a really long time to put on my eyes. I'm ready for foundation because my face is looking so orange. No, my face doesn't match my neck and I'm not even wearing foundation yet. So I take an acting class and we recently just took a test where we had to basically speak and perform, and only thing that she cared about was how we spoke. And the class right after, we had to give ourselves an evaluation. Sorry. We had to rate ourselves and how we think we did with our voice and our pronunciation. Wow. I look like a roach. But I'm just here to clarify for you guys that every time I say that I ask someone for the definition of a word, just keep in mind that I meant how to spell a word, not the definition of it. Just, for clarification. Teehee, back to the video. And I kept asking these people for the definitions of words because I'm slow. It's not even that I'm slow, I don't feel like wasting my time to think about things like 4 times 2. I'd rather just put it in my calculator than just think, what's 4 times 2? We all know it's 8, but just I'd rather save time, you know? I asked this guy hey, what's the definition of pronunciation? And he was like, you mean pronunciation? And I was like, no, pronunciation. And he was like, the dictionary way to say it is pronunciation. And then I was like, pronunciation has noun in the word, pronunciation. He looked at me like, are you dumb? I was like, that's not correct.
That is not correct.
Like, I wrote down the word previously and I showed him, noun is in the word. Don't be dumb with me. He asked the teacher, like, the whole class was just talking about, are you dumb, Patricia? Are you dumb? Like, pronunciation doesn't have N-U-N in it. N-U-N? I mean, N-O-N, Jesus God. Pronunciation is spelled P-R-O-N-U-N-C. Spell pronunciation.
Pronunciation. P-R-O-N-U-N-C-I-A-T-I-O-N.
I spelled it wrong. Like, it's not even how you say the word. I was spelling it wrong my entire life. I never knew pronunciation was spelled N-U-N. And my life was forever changed. That's the moral of the story. Like, before, have like confidence in yourself to defend something. Make sure you write. If you're not right, you just look dumb. Like, I looked so dumb. So I think this is my favorite step. Like, I know I'm black, but I just love blush. Like, it doesn't even mean anything that I'm black, but it's just, I love it so much. Like, I go overboard with this junk. And what I do, all over the cheeks, on the nose, on the chin, and a little, and I mean a little, on the forehead. Aww, I look so cute. Like, I look like a little fairy. I'm gonna use a bougie highlighter. You gotta put it on the nose. You have to. I didn't look like a pixie before. I definitely look like one now. I'm gonna go do my hair and then I'll be right back because I feel like this would look so much cuter if I did my hair. Be back. Oh my god, she's back with better and decent hair. We love that. I look like presentable now. We love that. And like that, she's done. Well, that is the finished video. I hope you guys liked it. You guys probably didn't, but that's fine. Subscribe to my channel, please. You don't have to if you don't want to, but like, subscribe. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys liked the makeup that I did, and I hope this video wasn't too boring. Have a good day and stay petty. Love y'all. Bye.
Put your head on.